Hello, everyone. Come on in, and welcome to the LD channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. As some of you guys know, I am going on a cruise real soon. So, with the cruise, when I'm packing, which I haven't even started packing yet, and I'm going really soon. I use like the reusable Sheen bags. Like if you order things online, I had some packing cubes. Guys, I haven't been able to find them for my last two trips. So I don't know where they are. I recently moved, do not know what happened to them, but I love packing cubes. So that must mean that guess what? I have to order some more. So I just wanted to come in here and just show you some of the bags that I use. It just makes it easier for me when you are putting your luggage, packing, and you're putting your clothing and like accessories and things like that inside your suitcase, it looks more organized and more manageable. Also, I keep my garments and articles and things inside the bags when I am on my cruise, even when I go on vacation, because I could just sit them in the dresser drawers that they have, or they have like the little cubby holes that they have when you're on the cruise ship, and it keeps everything nice, intact, in order. To me, I like it that way. But I want to show you the first bag that I have. I have a little set here, and this is a little small bag, and it says laundry pouch. Now for this, I can use for little small things that possibly might get lost while, I'm packing. It could be some small scissors. It could be tape. It can be pens, pencils, a little notepad, anything like that I will put in here. Then I have one that's the next size, like maybe a medium size that I have here, and I put like all of the little bricks that you charge your phones with. I take like a little extension cord with me. I take like a little portable speaker with me. Things like that I could put in there. And also like, the cords, the power cords, for your cell phones. And so since it's going to be me and my kids this time, I can fill this up with all our things. So it won't get lost while, you're packing everything. And then also I take this with me in a kind of medium-sized tote bag. I take this with me on the ship. Also, the smaller size with like the scissors and the tapes, maybe even like my magnets and things like that, because I could start like decorating my room door and putting magnets on the wall, things like that, until my luggage comes, because sometimes your luggage can come as soon as they open the doors, the staterooms, or you can get them when you're at dinner or after dinner. You never know. So, and then the next one is a bigger size. Now, I could say this may be the large size. Now, for this size, I actually use, like if we're going to port and we're going on an excursion, and say, for instance, you're in your bathing suit, but then what if you want to change out of that and just change back to regular clothes before you go back to the ship? In this case, anything, wet items or something like that, because it does say laundry bag. So I will put in this bag, and it's a pretty nice size bag for like, a bathing suit, I must say. Then the next I have is like this size bag. And like it comes from things you can order online, not just Sheen. Probably any clothing site. And it's a pretty nice size. And I could put like my socks in here. I don't know, just like any undergarments, things like that. I can put in here. I've probably even put in my couple of bathing suit tops and bathing suit bottoms. This can all fit in this bag. And then I have a bigger bag here. I put like my shorts and like little shirts, like just something, you thin and you walking around on the ship, just something. And it also has a zipper on it, which I like so much. If you don't fit it all the way to the top, it can easily zip. If not, you're like pushing it down to zip it. But I also use that. Now I have a variety, like a little collection I made, because I don't know what happened to my packing cubes. I might open up one of my suitcases, which I have about 5 or 6. They're probably in there. I don't know, but we shall see. Like I said, here's like another version of the big bag. Then I was on a cruise. I save a lot of things from when I'm on a vacation. Someone was packing a lot of things to give out on one of my trips I was just on. Look at the big Ziploc one. Hello, that's another one. You know, here's another little small one. You know, who knows what else I have. I think I even have more, but I just don't, I haven't pulled them out yet. I normally keep, you know, a couple of tote bags full of like these items and other ready accessible items I could use when I'm going on a cruise. So I pack with me and go on board. I don't leave behind with the porters and they deliver to my room later, stateroom later. I don't do that. But I kind of keep the same bag, couple of bags, and reuse things in and out, look in and out, see if there's things I want to add or take out, things like that, because it makes it easier when it's time to pack. But I just wanted to come on here just to share a little video with you guys today about the little packing cubes or packing bags, whatever you want to call it, that I use to make it a little helpful to pack, make it a little bit more organized. That way when you open up your luggage, you don't have things everywhere, flying out everywhere, especially if, you know, sometime they inspect your suitcase, either if you're at the airport or if you are, you know, on a ship. So you don't want someone just to open up your things and then something possibly valuable fall out. I'm not your favorite top might fall out. You know, your favorite pair of comfy socks might fall out. We don't know. You know, and then I put in there. And then also some of my shoes. I've heard that some people use the shower caps, and you can get like a dozen at the dollar store. Shower caps, disposable shower caps, and they put their shoes in there as well, you know, because, I mean, you're on the ground, germs, you know, things like that, and that transfer over to your clothes. So now that I'm talking about it, that means I need to add that to my lovely list of items I still need to get. I'm at the store like every other day. And there's still things I need to get. And I'm even more paranoid because now I'm going on a cruise with my kids. And I've never been on a cruise with my kids before. So when they went last year, I was telling them, okay, you need this, you need that. Oh, you might need this. And then I'm just thinking, and they're like, Mom, it's going to be okay. We will be fine. We will be good. We'll find it. You know, and I'm like, mommy mode, you know, mommy brain, mom brain, you know, things like that. So now I'm sitting here every time I'm just talking, just having a conversation with my kids. I'm like, oh, wait a minute. And I said, hey, do you have a tumbler? Because, you know, when you can walk around the ship, you can refill it up, you know, with water, juice, tea, you know, things like that. And I said, oh, you guys use the little cups. And mind you, the cups are like this small. So they were like, no. So I'm on a hunt. Mama's on a hunt to get them a couple of tumblers, you know, to make it easier. You know, we can, you know, so I can have something to drink and it's not an open cup, you know, and it's a little bit more safe and things like that. So again, I thank you guys for taking time out watching my video. Look, coming soon. It's going to be some cruise videos. I cannot wait. We are so excited. This is a very overdue cruise for me and my kids, and also for the first time, and they don't know it yet, we're gonna be in the balcony. I've never cruised in the balcony before. I've had several ocean view, and of course interior, but Princess, really good bid, I must admit. So we're gonna be in the balcony for the first time. So I'm very excited. The kids do not know yet. So once they open up the door, because they're like, Mom, it's going to be all cramped. We're going to be cramped. There's 3 of us. And last time it was 3 of us and we were cramped. We're going to have a little bit more space because we're going to have a balcony. So Mommy won the bid. Thank you, Princess, so much. So I can't wait to see their eyes out because they're going to be very happy. Because Mama is happy, so I know they're going to be happy. But I thank you guys again for watching. I hope you have a great day. We're here actually to year 2 of me being on YouTube. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to have to make a video for that for year 2. But I'm so happy where my channel is going. I have to put in some more work for you guys. Hopefully pop out some more videos, maybe do some lives, maybe, connect with some other, be a guest on some other channels. I'm going to try. I'm going to do it. And I'm still thinking about Vlogmas. I do have some time. I mean, school is going to be out for a little while, so I know I could crack some videos in somewhere. So you guys take care. Have a great day. Also, like, comment, share, and subscribe.